This Outsunny 19.5 portable walk-in garden greenhouse is perfect for the home gardening enthusiast who is looking for a way to stay in the soil all year round. It offers all the protection your plants need to thrive without having to spend a great deal of green yourself. The galvanized steel tube frame and UV-resistant 20 cm PE mesh cloth cover stand up to the harshest elements. A zippered door provides a tight seal while also allowing quick in and out access. Ideal for cultivating plants, flowers, and landscapes efficiently and quickly in all seasons. Protects crops from cold, frost, and hail in winter and stimulates growth in spring and summer. Powder-coated reinforced galvanized steel frame resists rust and corrosion. Made of a durable, tear-resistant, and well-ventilated PE plastic cover. A zipped roll-up door provides easy access to the inside and can be attached to the top to stay open. Includes tethers and single-sided tape to attach the cover to the steel frame. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Large walk-in greenhouse. An ideal way to extend your growing season while easily managing your plants and protecting them from extreme temperatures. 2. Installation methods. Set it on a hard surface or anchor it into soft soil. Number 2. Heavy-duty steel frame. Solid steel construction with a galvanized finish, which is resistant to rust, chipping, and peeling. Also equipped with 4 slant bracing tubes, a front crossbar, and middle reinforced tubes for enhanced stability. Number 3. Transparent plastic cover. The tough, durable, and transparent PE plastic cover protects plants while allowing nourishing sunlight to pass through. The cover can be easily attached to the frame with the included tethers and single-sided tape. Number 4. 8 roll-up side windows. The 8 roll-up windows have mesh netting to allow for cross-ventilation and climate control. Number 5. Roll-up front entrance. A large zipped roll-up door provides easy access to the inside and can be attached to the top in order to stay open. You can easily anchor the greenhouse into the soil and add stability with the 4 screw ground stakes, 4 supporting rods, and an overhanging cover. Note: in order to prolong the service life, you need to strengthen it yourself before bad weather, windy, rainy, snowy, haily, etc. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.